श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमो भगवते विराजेश्वराय। In this series of reading Adhyatma Ramayana, in the last week when I have completed, we have been at Kishkinda Kanda. 3 sargas have been completed. The aim for today's reading is to cover 4, 5 and 6 sargas of Kishkinda Kanda. So 3 sargas from Adhyatma Ramayana. So the context where we have left this reading is Rama killed Vali, put Sugriva into the throne and asked him to continue for 4 months period of Varsha Rutu, and Rama chose to live in the Prasravana Parvata, nearby hill. So at that stage we have left. So Sugriva is taken into he is in the Kishkinda, he is ruling Kishkinda, and Rama residing in his own cave. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Tatra Varshika Dinani Varsharatu Dinas Raghavo Leelaya Mani Guhasu Sancharan Pakva Moola Phala Bhoga Toshito Lakshmanena Sahito Vasat Sukham. So Rama consuming the Pakva Moola Phala Toshito. He is enjoying or happy with Moola Phala Bhoga Toshito. Moolas roots, phalas fruits, the bhoga what they can give. With them he is happy. Toshito Lakshmanena Sahito Vasat Sukham. Along with Lakshmana, he is happily living. But actually, his wife has been lost. Searching the wife, he came all the way, made friendship. So, as it goes on, Saumitri Rekada Rama Mekante Dhyanatatparam. Saumitri, Sumitra's son, Ekante Dhyanatatparam. Rama is in Ekanta, alone, Dhyana Tatpara, in the Dhyana. Samadhi Virame Bhaktya, when he came out of Samadhi, so he is in Samadhi most of the time. When he comes back, this is the Chaturmasya Vrata. So during the Chaturmasya, people will not move around. So Rama is respecting that Maryada, Gauravam, that Rama is Maryada Purushottama. So he said, he is taking Samadhi Virame Bhaktya, Pranayad Vinayanvitaha, with friendliness, love, with Vinaya, he is asking, Abravid Devate Vakyat Purvo Vakyat Vigato Mamaha Anadya Vidya Sambhuta Samsayo Hrudi Samsthita. So I have been listening to you, Rama, but in my Hridaya, in my heart, there are still some doubts. Samsayo Hrudi Samsthita. So those samsayas are there. Idanim Shrotumichami Kriyamargena Raghava Bhavadaradhanam Loke Yatha Kurvanti Yoginaha. So he is asking a question. Kriya Yoga. So not the modern Kriya Yoga techniques, lot of new techniques. Shrotumichami Kriyamargena Raghava, on the path of action, Kriya. Raghava, Bhavadaradhanam Loke Yatha Kurvanti Yoginaha. Yogis, how do they apply this? Kriya Marga, path of Kriya, path of action, worship basically. Idameva Sadaprahuhu, Yogino Mukti Sadhanam, Naradopi Tatha Vyaso Brahma Kamalasambhavaha. So people say the Kriya Yoga is the yogi, for yogis Mukti Sadhanam. Narada, Api, Vyasa, Brahma, Kamalasambhava, all these yogis have said the Kriya Marga. బ్రహ్మ క్షత్రాదివర్ణానాం ఆశ్రమాణాంచ మోక్షదం శ్రీ శూద్రాణాంచ రాజేంద్ర సులభం ముక్తి సాధనం తవ భక్తాయ మే భ్రాత్రే బ్రూహి లోకోపకారకం. సో లక్ష్మణ is saying it is for Brahma, Kshatriya, Adi Varnanam, all Varnas, and Ashramanam, in all the ashramas, Mokshadam, to give the moksha. Sri Sudrananja Rajendra, for everybody, women, Sudra, all categories of people. Sulabham Mukti Sadhanam, easy path to Mukti. Tava Bhaktaya, your Bhakti. Bhratre, brother, I am a brother, I am your Bhakta. Bruhime Lokopakarakam, tell me this, which will help the worlds also. Loka Upakarakam. So after having questioned like this, Rama, Sri Rama Uvacha. Mama puja vidhanasya naamtosti raghunandana tadhapi vakshe sankshepat yatha vadanupurvasaha yatha vada anupurvasaha. So there is no end to the ways of worship of me or the Paramatma. Na antosti, there is no end for them. You can worship in any way, but I will tell how to do it as traditionally it has been told by various sages, as you have asked. Swagruhyokta prakarena dvijatvam praptya manavaha sakashat sadguror mantram labdva madbhakti samyutaha. So gruhyokta prakaram, gruhya sutras, as per the gruhya sutras, dvijatvam praptya manavaha, manava having properly initiated, dvijatvam, second born, dvija, second birth. So as per the initiation, one gets sakashat sadguror mantram. So along with that, from a sadguru, taking the mantra, labdhva madbhakti samyutaha, having got that along with my bhakti, tena sandarsita vidhir mamevaradhayet sudhi, tena sandarsita vidhir. So how the guru instructs, in that way you have to, one has to sudhi of the right dhi, good mind, one who has the sudhi. Hrudaye vanale varche, hrudayeva analeva. So in the heart, first choice. In the fire, second choice. Pratimadav vibhavasav. Pratimadav, or in the pratima, or in the sculpture, or any a pratima, a image kept in front. Or vibhavasav, in the sun. So these are the four methods. Salagrama silayam va, or in the stone. Salagrama sila, right salagrama sila, Rama salagrama sila. Pujayan mam atandritaha, without defect, without any lenience, one should do the puja. Atandritaha. Pratasnanam prakurveta prathamam dehasuddhaye. First one has to take bath to make body clean. Veda tantrodir tair mantram trair smrutelepana vidhanataha sandhyadi karma yannityam tatkuryad vidhina buddhaha. So in the sandhyas, Veda mantra, Veda tantrodikam, either Veda or tantrodika vidhanataha sandhyadi karma Nityam, daily sandhyadi karma has to be performed. Sankalpa madhav kurvita, then doing the sankalpa. Siddhyartham karmanam sudhi, so without sankalpa nothing will work. First sankalpa need to be done. Swargurum pujayet bhaktya mad buddhya pujako mamaha. So swagurum, in the guru, mad buddhya, thinking he is only Paramatma. First Swaguruyam Gurum Pujayat Mad Buddhya Pujako Mama. Then puja to me to be performed. Silayam Snapanam Kuryat Pratimasu Pramadjanam Prasiddhair Gandhapushpadjait Mat Puja Siddhidayika. So snapanam, abhisheka, and then pratima marjanam, prasiddhair gandha pushpadai, the go flowers which are sweet smelling flowers. Puja siddhidayaka, will such a puja, such worship will be siddhi, it will give siddhi quickly. Amayukonu vrutya mam pujayen niyatavrataha pratimadi shwalankaraha priyome kulanandana. Amayuko, without having maya, means delusion or to deceive people, such kind of thought in the heart, clean heart. Suvrutya, right attitude, right vrutti, right way of living, basically. Mam pujayen niyata vrataha, taken a vrata, means I will do this kind of a puja. Taking such a sankalpa, say taking a vrata, one he has to perform. Pratimadish valankaraha, those pratimas which are being used, the images kept, God's images, alankaraha, those need to be beautified. Priyome kulanandana, such kind of activities are priya, are loved by me. Agnau yajeta havisha bhaskare thandile yajet. In Agni, one needs to put the havish, the ghee offering. Bhaskare thandile yajet. In the bhaskara, if you are doing the puja in the sun, with the akshatas, thandule yajet. Bhaktinopahrutam prityai sraddhaya mama varyapi. Even a little bit of water offered to me along with the bhakti is considered as the puja. Kim punar bhakshabhojyadi gandhapushpakshataadikam pujadravyani sarvani sampadyevam samarabhet. So even if water is offered is considered as puja, then you can do anything else more than that. Bhaksha bhojya, you can cook food for that puja. Gandha, different gandhas you can bring. Pushpa, flowers. Adikam, all those upacharas with gandhas, pushpas, lepanas, paniyas, whatever can be offered to the god, which are satvik in nature. Puja dravyani sarvani sampadyenam samadhrayat. Chailajana kushaihi samyag asanam parikalpayat, put a proper asana to sit. Tatropi visya devasya sammukhe suddhamasanaha. So kushaihi, in darbhas you can create a asana. There you have to make them sit. Tato nyasam prakurvita, then you do the nyasa. Matruka bahirantaram, inside and outside all nyasa, bahirantaram. Kesavadi tatakuryat tatan nyasam tathaparam. Kesavanamas you can do the achamana. Man murti panjaranyasam mantranyasam tatonyaset. So murti panjaranyasam mantranyasam, so vidhana is being in. Tatonyaset pratimadapi tadha kuryan nityam atandritaha. Nityam, daily when you do this, all these procedures need to be, without lenience the procedure need to be followed. It should not be mechanical activity. Daily I am doing, okay, I will do something. No. Atandritaha. Kalasam swapuro vame kshipet pushpadi dakshine. Kalasam you put in the vama, means right hand, left hand side. Kshipet pushpadi dakshine. Pushpas and all in the left hand side. Arghyapadya pradhanartham madhuparkarthamevacha. Arghyapadya madhuparka, all these things need to be arranged accordingly. Tadhaiva achamanardhantu nyaset patra chatushtayam. So 4 patras, achamana patra. Hrutpadme bhanu vimale matkalam jiva sangitam. So all that external puja. Internally, Hrutpadme, in the heart, Bhanu Vimale Matkalam Jiva Sangitam. So in the sun, whatever is the life force which is giving and life to the earth, on the earth, all the life is grown through the sunlight. That Jiva Sangitam, whatever is that is to be considered, that Jiva Sangitam, whatever is known as life force in the sun is to be considered as me. Jhayet Swadehamakilam taya vyaptamarindamaha tameva avahayen nityam pratimadishu matkalam. So first assuming that that Jiva Shakti is in the body, dhyayet, then the same Shakti in the Pratima need to be avahayet, invoked in the Pratima, same Jiva Shakti need to be invoked in Pratimadishu Matkalam. पादार्घ्याचमनीयाज्यै स्नानवस्त्रविभूषणै यावच्छक्योपचारैर्वा त्वच्चयन् मामनामया. So as possible, all the upacharas, 16 upacharas can be performed. Padya, arghya, giving water to wash feet, wash hands, to take achamana, all those 16. Vibhave sati karpura kunkumagaru chandanai. If there is a capability, one can buy karpura, kunkuma, agaru, all these different things. Kunkumai. Archayan mantravannityam sugandhakusumai subhai. Dashavarana pujam vai yagamoktam prakarayet. So Dashavarana puja as per the agamas can be performed. Nirajanair dhopadipair naivedyair bahuvistaraihi. So as much as possible one can perform nirajana, dhopa, deepa, naivedya, etc. Shraddhayopaharein nityam shraddhabhugamahamiswaraha homam kuryat prayatnena vidhina mantrakovidaha. Shraddhaya, along with faith. Shraddha is faith, reverence, and a bhava of that feeling. Put together it becomes Shraddha. Shraddhaya opaharen nityam. So daily you have to perform the puja like this. Shraddhabhugamahamiswaraha. I enjoy in the Shraddha, not actual items used. That is the meaning here. Homam kuryat prayatnena vidhina mantrakovidaha. One who knows the mantras, everything, he can do homa accordingly. Agastyanoktamargena kundenagama vittamaha juhuyan mulamantrena pumsuktena athava buddhavaha. So as per the Agastya Kalpa, Agastya has defined Rama Upasana. As per that Upasana, kundenagama vittamaha, as per the kunda need to be built. How to do that? As per Agastya Ukta, kunda need to be built. Then Juhuyan Mula Mantrena, either with the Mula Mantra or with Pum Suktena, Purusha Suktena, Va Buddhaha. Adhava Upasanagnava Charanaha Vishatadhaha, Tapta Jambunada Prakyam, Divyabharana Bhushitam, Jhayed Anala Madhyastam, Homakale Sada Buddhaha. So while performing this homa in the Anala Madhyastam, in that Agni, in that fire, Jhayet Anala Madhyastam, Homakale Sada Buddha Parshadebhyo Balindatva Homasesham Samapayet. So having performed that hoda, while doing dhyana, while doing the concentrated dhyana in that Agni as the homa, this thing, Tato Japam Prakurveta Jhayanmam Yatavak Smaran Mukhavasancha Tambulan Datva Priti Samanyataha. Then after doing the homa, Japam need to be performed. Madardhe Nrutya Gitadi Stuti Pathadhikarayet. So for my sake, the dance, singing, stuti, doing the stotras, patha, telling the Veda Pathas. Veda Pathas also are part of the puja or the Kriya Yoga. Adi Karayet Pranamet Dandavat Bhumau Hrudaye Mam Nidhayacha. Finally, Dandavat, like a stick falling on the floor, keeping the heart Nidhayacha, Hrudaye Mam Nidhayacha. In heart, keeping me, falling on the floor. Sirasadhyaya Madhatvam Prasadam Bhavanamayam Panibhyam Matpade Murdhik Duhitva Bhakti Sampataha. Taking that prasada, finally, after doing all this puja, the prasada from that thing, with the hands, putting it on the head, prasadat gruhitva bhakti samyutaha, as if it has been given by Lord Rama. One need to take and take it onto the head. Rakshamam ghora samsarad yityuktva pranamet sudhi udvasayen yatha purvam pradyag jyotishi samsmaran. After doing this, Rakshamam ghora samsarat. So the what you have to ask for is, protect me from this ghora samsara, repeated birth and death cycle. Pranamet Sudhi, with that pranama, Udvasayet Yatha Purvam, the Udvasana need to be done to remove that prana Shakti from that chihna, or that the idol we kept, or the pratima we kept, or the image we kept for doing the puja. Pratyak Jyotish Samsmaran, and remembering the Pratyak Jyoti inside that Jiva Shakti Samsmaran. So, which is the same thing in the sun. The sunlight, the life force in the sun as the heart, and which is invoked in the Pratima, yantra, mantra, tantra, whatever, yantra or a geometric figure. So, as per different ways, one can do the archana. So, this is the eva mukta prakarena pujaye dvidhi vadyadi ihamutra cha samsiddhim prapnoti madanagrahat. So, in this way, one who does the puja, iha amutra, in this world and outside of the world, everything is my anugraha will be there. Madbhakto yadi mamevam pujam chaiva dine dine karoti mama sarupyam prapnotyeva nasamseyaha. So, one who does like this in every day will become sarupya mukti. In that there is no doubt. Idam rahasyam paramancha pavanam mayaiva sakshat kadhitam sanatanam pathatyajastram yadiva srunoti yaha sasarva puja phalabhang nasamseyaha. So, this is the phalasruti. Idam rahasyam paramam pavanam. This is secret. Paramam, eternally purifying. Mayaiva sakshat kadhitam sanatanam. By me, directly being said. Mayaiva sakshat kadhitam sanatanam, eternal, which is not newly found or told. It has been there. Always it has been there. Eternally it is there in the Veda. Sanatanam. Pathat yajastram yadiva srunoti. One who reads this out or who listens to this, yah sarva puja phalam, one who gets all the pujas, performing all the pujas, nasamseha, there is no doubt in it. Evam paratma Sri Ramaha kriya yoga manuttamam prushtaha praha swabhaktaya seshamsaya mahatmane. Of the seshamsa, amsa of sesha, the Lakshmana, to him, Paramatma himself said this. Punah prakrutavadadramo maya malambya dukkhitaha hasiteti vadanneva nidram lekhe kathanchana. So, again after saying that, Punaha prakrutavat ramo, as per the normal prakriti, maya malambya dukkhitaha, taking up the maya, he became very sad. Hasiteti, oh my wife. So, he started Nidram lebhe kadhanchana. In the dream, he went into the, as one gets into the dream which is having all the troubles, he went into the dream and started expressing his sorrow and sadness. Srunu Rajan Pravakshami Taivaya Hitemuttaman Ramena te Krutha Purvam Upakaro Hyanuttamaha. So, then actually the next piece we will cover as a story. So, this is key part of Kriya Yoga, which has been told by Rama himself. Then actually he calls Lakshmana and says, my friend, I have asked him to come back, he didn't come back, all the months are passed. I don't know what has happened to him. So now you go. So at that time, Sugriva, what he is doing, we don't know. So Rama is taken by his sorrow, all those things. He is expressing his grief towards his wife being abducted. To continue that effort, he sends Lakshmana and asks him to go to Kishkindha inside, because he will not go inside. Lakshmana will go and send a message saying that if you don't come back and start getting on to the Rama's job, the consequences will be dire. So the same arrow which killed Vali is still there with Rama, which can kill you. So So at that time, Lakshmana goes there, and Hanuman comes to receive him, cool him. So Lakshmana becomes very angry. Oh yeah, what has happened? With the anger, he will go in there. So now Sugriva need to be protected. With that anger, if he goes, he will even actually put the arrow onto him. So then the process of cooling that Raja Tantra, where Tara comes as a second shield, Hanuman comes as the first shield to shield the king who has erred in the sense who has forgot to. He got into this bhoga with Tara and Ruma. So natural tendencies of once you have the bhogas, you will forget, all the kritagnyata will not be there. So who has granted all these bhogas, that person is sitting outside for getting some work done from Sugriva, and that work is not being done. For those who are interested, this is a very interesting sarga, which is the fifth sarga of this. So రాగాది రహితస్యాస్య తత్కార్యం కథముద్భవేత్ బ్రాహ్మణోక్తమృతం కర్తుం రాజ్ఞో దశరథస్య హి తపసః ఫలనాదాయ జాతో మానవవేషదృక్ మాయయా మోహితా సర్వే జనా అజ్ఞాన సంయుతాః కథమేషాన్ భవేన్మోక్ష ఇతి విష్ణుర్విచింతయన్ కథాం ప్రథేతుం లోకే సర్వలోక మలాపహాం రామాయణాభిధాం రామో భూత్వా మానుషచేష్టకః క్రోధం మోహంచ కామంచ వ్యవహారార్థసిద్ధయే తత్తత్ కాలోచితం గృహణన్ మాయా మోహవ్యసా ప్రజాః అనురక్తః ఇవాశేష గుణేషు గుణవర్జితః విజ్ఞానమూర్తిర్విజ్ఞానశక్తిః సాక్ష్య గుణాన్వితః అతః కామాదిభిర్నిత్య మవిలిప్తో యథా నభః విందంతి మునయః కేచిత్ జ్ఞానంతి జనకాదయః తద్భక్తా నిర్మలాత్మానః సమ్యక్ జ్ఞానంతి నిత్యదా భక్తచిత్తానుసారేణ జాయతే భగవానజః లక్ష్మణోపి తదా గత్వా కిష్కింధాం నగరాంతికం. సో this is the actual nature of Rama. Rama is not taken by any of these krodham, moham, kamam, vyavahara siddhaye. For the sake of vyavahara to happen in this world, Rama to take the krodham against Sugriva and has to put Sugriva into action so that Sugriva will get into the action of running the show of this Maya world. So this is the actual answer of the original question what Parvati has raised at the beginning of this scripture. Rama, he has wept and taken away by his grief like a normal person. Why is it so? So Mahadeva is telling all these things. See, Mahadeva finally concludes this. So he sent Lakshmana. Then Lakshmana goes there. Tara and Hanuman will protect the. So Hanuman will go and gatva sanama sirasa bhaktya swagatam abravit yehi veera mahabhaga bhavat gruhamam asankitam pravisya rajadaradin drishtva sugrivamevacha yada jnapayase paschat tatsarvam karavani bho ityuktva lakshmanam bhaktva kare gruhyasa marutihi anayamasa nagarad madhyad rajagruham prati. So Hanuma actually took Lakshmana to the place where Tara is, because the situation there is very bad. So Hanuman is correctly directing Lakshmana first to take the Rajadaradi. He is taking to the wife Rajadaras or the queens. So Tara is herself a realized person and also a great Rajanitignya. She is one of the well versed in the Rajaniti, and she then further pacifies the anger of Lakshmana, and then finally he enters the inner apartment where Sugriva and Ruma are there, And then next story becomes very easy. Already Sugriva, Tara has asked Hanuman, and Hanuman has asked everybody to bring everybody. So all the Vanara Veeras have come. So in the 6th Sarga, so all the Vanara Veeras have been introduced to Rama, saying that I have each Vanara Veera is having 1 crore Vanaras. And each one is so much powerful. If 10 elephant, 100 elephant power, all those been given. And then finally Sugriva says, all these are at your command, you command them. Then Rama says, this is also Rajaneti, Maryada. I am asking you to get this work done. So he is not taking up the project management activity on his own. He says, you manage the project. You only know who is who, what skills, and you have to put them. But we know that on the south side, she has been taken away to the south. You have to send that right team to the south. So Hanuman, Angada, all these great people have been sent south. So that is the 5th Sarga in total. So there are certain key answers about the Rama's true nature, and then what Rama has done, and how this Neela, Angada, all these people's introduction, Hanuman, today is specifically Hanuman Jayanti. So Hanuman's leadership will come, his mantritva, his strategy comes in, his knowledge into the whole Shastras comes in here in protecting the king, making things, making these alignments work properly and all those things. So then we enter into a important sarga where Sita Anveshana will start, and there is a yogini called Swayam Prabha. In her guha, all these Vanaras will enter. And then Swayam Prabha actually with her Yoga Shakti visits Rama, and Vanaras are lost in the guha, and they spend all that 1 month. Sugriva Ajna has been given. Within 1 month you have to find and come back, otherwise there is a severe punishment if you don't come back in month. 1 day late also, if you don't complete your task also, you will have a lot of punishments. Sorry, so Swarabha, Dvivida, Mainda, all these people, Sita has been, so the southward tree team has went into the one yogini's guha. So they see a Rakshasa and they think he is only Ravana, and fight and kill him, and they become very thirsty and they look for water, and in the water they enter into one Andhakare Mahadhuram Gatvapasyan Kapishwara, 37th sloka of 6th Sarga. Jalasayan Mani, so they see a place where a guha, from that guha there are birds coming out with wet wings. So looking at that, inside guha there is some water. They recognize that and they go into the dark guha. Once they enter into the dark guha, Andhakare Mahadhuram Gatapashwan Kapishwaraha Jalasa Prabhayadiptamanam tu Dadrusya Striyamekam Dhyayantim Chiravasasam Yoginim Yogamastitam. A woman is sitting there, Dhyayanti. Pranemastam Mahabhagam Bhaktya Bhitya cha Vanara, with bhakti, with fear. Drushtavatan Vanaran Devi Prahamayum Kimagata. She asks, why did you come here? Prahamahum Kimagata, why did you come here? Kutova Kasya Dutava Mathanam Kim Pradharshadha Tachurtva Hanumanaha Srunu Vakshyami Devite. And Hanuman says, Hanuman's version of Ramayana is very small, 3-4 slokas. Ayodhyadipati Sriman Raja Dasaratha Prabhu Tasya Putro Mahabhago Jyoshto Rama iti Shrutaha. So Ayodhyapati Sriman Raja Dasaratha Prabhu. There is a Prabhu called Dasaratha Raja. Tasya Putro Mahabhago Jyoshto Rama. His son Mahabhago, great son, Jyeshta, first son, Rama is known as Rama. Piturajñam Puraskritya Sabharya Sanujo Vanam gatastatra hrutva bharya tasya sadhvi duratmana. So for the sake of father's word, he entered the forest with wife and brother. Then they started living there in some place. The wife has been hrutva tasya sadhvi duratmana. Sadhvi has been taken away by duratmana, a bad minded rakshasa. Ravanena tato rama sugrivam sanujo yayau sugrivo mitrabhavena ramasya priyavallabham. Then Sugriva and Rama became friends, and Sugriva has asked us to Ramasya Priyavallabham Mrugayadvamiti Praha Tato Vayamupamagataha Tato Vanam Vichinvanto Janakim Jalakankshanaha. So while searching for Janaki, we became thirsty at this place, and we thought water is available, we came here. Pravishta Gafaram Ghoram Daivadatra Samagataha Tvam Va Kimardhasrapisa Kavatvam vada naha subhe. Subhe, oh wonderful woman, who are you? You also tell. So after introducing themselves and their activity, why they come, how they entered, everything, they are asking, Subhe, oh great woman, you tell about yourself. Yogini cha tadha drushtva vanaran prahu hrushtadhi yadheshtham phalamulani tyaktva pityamrutam payaha. I have water which is equivalent of amrutam. You can drink how much ever you want. You have all the fruits in this. You also eat all those things. She allowed them to eat. Devyah samipam gatva te baddhanjali putastita tatah praha hanumantam yogini divya darshana. Divya darshana, of having divya darshana powers. She can see far away, and she is Hemanama pura divya rupini vishwakarmanaha Putri Mahesham Nrutyeva Toshayamasa Bhavini. So there is Hema, who is Vishwakarma's daughter. She worshipped Mahesha, Ishvara, with dance. Tushto Mahesha Pradada Vidam Divyapuram Mahat. This Divyapuram, this Guha, has been given by Mahesha to Hema. One, he became happy, and he Tushto Mahesha Pradada Vidam Divyapuram Mahat Atrastita Sa Sudati Varshanam Ayuta Ayutam. Of several Ayuta, Varshas, of the long periods of time we have been here. Asya Ham Sakhi Vishnu Tatpara Mokshakanshani. I am that Hema's friend. Vishnu Tatpara, I am a devotee of Vishnu. So Hema, she is a devotee of Shiva. This Shiva's devotee, Vishnu's devotee are friends. These friends are sitting in a guha, in a place, in a big place given by Ishvara. Tasya aham sakhi Vishnu tatpara mokshakang namna swayam prabha divya gandharvatanaya pura. I am a daughter of a Gandharva. My name is Swayam Prabha. Swayam Prabha, self-effulgence. I am Gachanti Brahmalokam sa mama hedam tapascharaha. So she also performed tapa here, and she fulfilled her tapas. She has gone to Brahmaloka. While going, Atraiva Vivasanti Tvam Sarva Prani Vivarjate. So you be here only, she said to me. Treta Yuge Dasaridhir Bhutva Narayano Vyayaha Bhubhar Haranadhyaya Vicharashyati Kanane. So Rama will come into the forests in the Treta Yuga. You be here until there. Marganto Vanarastasya Bharyamayanti Te Guham Pujayatvadhatan Natva Ramam Stutva Priyatnataha. Then you can have a darsana of Rama. You can, having said that, Yatasi Bhavanam Vishnor Yogi Gamyam Sanatanam Itoham Gantumachami Ramam Drashtum Toranvita. Now I am having informed by you that Rama is there. I wanted to see him, so I will go there. Yuyam Pidadhak Makshini Gamishyada Bhirgata Guham Tadhaiva Chakruste Vegad Gata Purvasthitam Vanam. So she has Sapityaktva Guham Srighram Yayav Raghava Sanidhau Tatra Ramam Sasugrivam Lakshanancha Tadarsaha. So this yogini with her yogic power immediately went. Dasita Vaham Rajendra Darsanarthamihagata Bahuvarsha Sahasrani Taptam me Duscharam Tapaha. I have been doing Duscharam Tapaha Bahu Varsha Sahasrani. Thousands of years I have been doing tapas. Guhayam dasanardhante phalitam me adya taptaha adya hitvam namasyami mayayaha paratasthitam. Having seen you giving out of that maya, I will bow down to you. Sarva bhuteshu cha lakshyam bhairantaravasthitam योगमाया जव जवन्निकाच्छन्नो मानुषविग्रहः सलक्ष्यस्य ज्ञानदृश्यां शैलूषयवरूपदृक् महाभागवतानां त्वं भक्तियोगविधिस्त्वया अवतीर्णोऽसि भगवन् कथं जानामि तामसि लोके जानातु यः कश्चित् तव तत्त्वं रघुत्तम. हौ डू ऐ नो यू रघुत्तम? ममैतदेव रूपन्ते सदा भातु हृदालये रामते पादयुगलं दर्शितं मोक्षदर्शनं. Your रूpa be imprinted in my heart, your padas are the moksha. Looking at your padas is the moksha. That is what she is declaring. Adarsanam bhavarnanam sanmarga paridarshanam धनपुत्र कलत्रादि विभूति परिदर्पितः अकिंचन धनम द्वा नाभिधातुं जनोर्हति. Those who are deluded by putra kalatra, wife, sons, all these kind of things, dhanam, wealth of this world, they can never see these feet. निवृत्त गुणमार्गाय निष्किंचन धनायते. निवृत्त धनमार्गाय, निवृत्त गुणमार्गाय निष्किंचन धनायते. So I think this one sentence is the description of Rama as Swayamprabha in him. Nivrutta Gunamargaya. Nivrutta Gunamargam. One who has turned towards the source. Nishkinchana Dhanayate. So Nishkinchana Dhana. It is not wealth, I think. No wealth is which can come close, even forget close, come to any comparison to it. Nishkinchana Dhanaya. Namah Swatmabhiramaya Nirgunaya Gunatmane Kalarupinam Ishanam Adimadhyantavarjitam. Kalarupinam Ishanam Adimadhya Antavarjitam. Namah Swatmabhiramaya, one who has taken refuge in his own Atma. Nirgunaya Gunatmane. So Namah Swatmabhiramaya Nirgunaya Gunatmane Kalarupinam Ishanam Adimadhyantavarjitam. Namanch Samancharantam Sarvatra Manve Tvam Purusham Param Devate Cheshtitam Kaschan Navedan Ruvidambanam Nate Stikaschid Dayito Tveshyo Vapara Yevacha Tvan Maya Pihitat Manas Tvam Pasyanti Tathavidam. So one who has all the dvesha, all the negative qualities removed, Tvan Maya Pihitatma Nastvam. So one who has removed those Maya Pihita Atma, Pasyanti Tadhavidam. They can see you. Ajasya Karturishasya Devatirya Naradishu Janma Karmadikam Yadyat Tadyad Avidambanam. So all these Tiryak, whole Devas to Tiryak, Rakshasas, all this, whole of it is Janma Karmadikam, birth and actions. Janma Karmadikam Sarvam. All that is Vidambanam of your Maya, is projected by your Maya. Tvamahu Raksharam Jatam Kadhasravana Siddhaye Kechit Kosala Rajasya Tapasa Phala Siddhaye. For making these stories heard by you, Kosala Raja as a Kosala Raja Putra, Brahmana Nararupena, Brahma or Nararupena Jatoyamiti Kechana Srunvanti Gayanti Chaye Kadhaste Raghunandana. So even before Rama is born, this Rama's Kadha is known. Because it happens. So people who have seen, there is no time distinction. For those who are limited in this time distinction, Rama is of some time. But those who have transcended the time distinction, Ramakatha is part of the, or Ramakatha is the basis of this whole thing. Kausalyaya Pradhyamanam Jatamahu Parejanaha Dushta Rakshasa Bhubhara Haranayarthito Vibhuhu. So Swayamprabha is saying, Kausalyaya Pradhyamanam. Kausalya wanted to give birth to you. So to make her wish fulfilled, you came as her son. Pradhyamanam Jatamahu Parejanaha. Brahmana Naranupena Jatoyamiti Kechanaha. So people will say, some people will say Brahma has come as Nararupa. Pasyanti tava padabjam bhavarnava sutaranam. Pasyanti, I am able to see your padabjam, the lotus feet of you. Bhavarnava, this Bhava Arnava, this ocean of births and deaths. Bhavarnava sutaranam. It is not just delivering away from this, easily delivering away. Sutaranam. Tvanmaya gunabadhaham yatiriktam gunasrayam. So, Tvanmaya gunabadha aham, that ego, Maya gunabadhaham, that yatiriktam, opposite of that, gunasrayam is the Paramatma, your true nature. Kadham tvam devajaniyam stotum navishayam vibhum. How do I do stotram to you? Avishayam vibhum. Namasyami raghushreshtam Banasana Saranvitam. I only bow down to you. I can't do any stotra. I can't describe anything. Lakshmanena Sahabhrata Sugrivadhiviranvitam. So Swayam Prabha's darsana of Sri Rama is along with Lakshmana on one side and Sugriva on the other side. Abhiranida. Evam stuto Raghusreshta prasanna pranata gruhatra Uvacha yoginim bhaktam kimte manasikangshitam. Then Rama asked this yogini Swayamprabha, Kinte manasikangshitam, what is there in your mind? What kanksha, what desire is there in your mind? Sa praha raghavam bhaktya bhaktinte bhaktavatsala. Sa, she, praha raghavam, said to Raghava, bhaktya, with bhaktinte bhaktavatsala. Bhakti only I have my desire. Bhaktavatsala, oh Bhaktavatsala, I am only looking for bhakti. Yatra kutrapi jataya nischitam dehime prabho. Wherever, whatever body I take, wherever, whatever, yatra kutrampi jataya. So, irrespective of which layer, where, near, far, triyak, what yoni, I don't know. Nischalam jataya, nischalam dehi bhakti. Tvad bhakteshu sada sango. So you give me a sada satsanga, sada sanga tvad bhakteshu, a company of your bhaktas. Put me in such place that I have some company of your bhaktas. Bhuyaste prakruteshu naha, jivhame rama rameti bhaktya vadatu sarvada. My tongue, let it speak always Rama Rama with bhakti. Along with bhakti, Rama Nama Ucharana. This is what I want. Sarvada, always. Manasam Syamalam Rupam Sita Lakshmana Samyutam Dhanurbanadharam Petavasasam Mukutojwalam. In my mind, always Manasam Syamalam Rupam, the black, dark form of you, Sita Lakshmana Samyutam, with Sita and Lakshmana. Now she is asking a different darsana. She has had a darsana, now she is asking for a Sita Lakshmana Samyutam Dhanurbanadharam, along with Dhanas and Banas. Pitavasasam, wearing that Pitambaram, Mukutojwalam, having your Kirita on the top, after coronation. So this is Rama Pattabhisheka Darsana is what Swayamprabha is asking Rama. Angadair, Nupurair, Muktaharaihi, Kaustubhakundalai. She is also describing the Abharanas. Angadaihi, Nupuraihi, so those for your feet, what need to be there, all those ornaments from the feet. Muktaharai, Kaustubha Mandalai, she is coming from feet to head. Bhantam Smaratume Rama, Varam Nanyam Rune Prabho. Let that darsana be there in my mind always, your name be there on my tongue always, bhakti. So like that, Saprabha, so Swayamprabha has told her wish. So now Sri Rama Uvacha. Bhavatyevam Mahabhage Gachatvam Badarivanam Tatraiva Mam Smarantitvam Tvaktedam Bhutapanchakam Mameva Paramatma Namachirat Patpatipadyase. So Bhavatyevam, let it be so. Whatever you are asking, that will happen. Gachatvam Badarivanam, you can go back to your Badarivanam. So where she came from. Tatraiva mam smarantitvam, you always have smarana, spurana, inspiration of me. This spuradrupa, spura, sparana is inspiration. Should come deep from bottom of the heart, not just imagination of the mind. బదరీవనం తత్రైవ మాం స్మరంతి త్వం త్యక్తేదం భూతపంచకం మామేవ పరమాత్మాను అచిరాత్ ప్రతిపద్యసే. వన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ యువర్ డిజైర్స్ ఫుల్ఫిల్డ్, mameva, you will reach me only in the time, right time when it comes. All your desires, whatever your desires you have asked, all those will be fulfilled. You will reach me. Shrutva raghutama vacho amrutasara kalpam gatva tadaiva badari rushundajustam tirtham tada raghupatim manasasmaranti tyaktva kalevaramapa avaparam padam sa. That yogini Swayamprabha, having heard this, with her great magical power, she disappeared and went to her own place. And with this Smarana being there, in the time she left Panchabhautika body, means left the body naturally, and reached the Parampadam of Sri Ramachandra. This is the end of 6th Sarga. So we have on this great Hanumat Jayanti day, Vaisakha Masa, Bahula Paksha, Dasami, Purvabhadra Nakshatram, along with Nakshatra, Dasami Tithi, all these of Hanumat Jayanti. We completed 4th, 5th and 6th. 5th we have just covered, where Hanuman's version of Ramayana, Swayamprabha's, explaining to the Swayamprabha. Seen the Swayamprabha's way of, so one Kriya Yoga, one Yogini, and the Hanuman's version of how Rama, the original answer to the basic answer to the original question raised by Parvati, is covered in this today's reading. So may the Hanuman Guru Swarupa, the blessings of Hanuman be on one and all. By those blessings and grace of Hanuman, one and all will be able to get the bhakti of Rama, and eventually they can get to the same as attained by the all those in the Ramayana where Rama is meeting each of them once. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahisha gobrahmanebhya subhamastu nityam lokas samastas sukhino bhavanti. Om namo bhagavate virajeshwaraya. Swasti.